Ever wondered how Bitcoin works? Or what makes cryptocurrencies so secure and powerful? It all starts with something called blockchain technology. Let's break it down in simple words. Think of blockchain like a digital notebook, one that records every transaction, forever. But here's the cool part. It's not stored in one place. It's shared across thousands of computers around the world, all connected in a network. Whenever someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, that information is grouped into a block. That block gets checked by computers, called miners or validators, and once it's verified, boom, it's added to the chain, permanently. No one can delete it, change it, or fake it. That's why it's super secure. Blockchain removes the need for middlemen, like banks or companies, to control your data. It's open, transparent, and belongs to everyone, not just one person or company. This is what makes it powerful, especially for money, digital identity, contracts, and more. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's being used for digital art, NFTs, smart contracts, voting systems, and even tracking your food from farm to table. Anywhere trust and records matter, blockchain has the potential to help. So next time you hear blockchain, think a digital record book, owned by everyone, that can't be changed. It's one of the most exciting technologies shaping the future. Want to learn more about crypto and blockchain? Hit that subscribe button and join the journey.